Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize RGB lights on SteelSeries Aerox 5 wireless. And to do this, first we'll need to download SteelSeries GG software from their official website. Then when it's installed and you're logged in, you should see something like this. We can move to the engine. Inside, when your mouse is connected, you should see it right here. We can move to the prism, and then there's our mouse on that board, and here we'll be able to customize our light with different options. So there's layers that we can switch between active, reactive or idle. Let's go for the active. Then we can select different stages for our mouse and the RGB and switch to different effects. You can choose whichever one you like. There's like I don't know, 20 or 30 of them, so pick one up, and all of them have different options, so I won't be showing you all of that, but here you'll be able to also customize the colors like this, and you can switch it for all of the different stages for the mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.